So this is actually, I'm a keyboard player, you know, in my off hours, and I have a bunch of synthesizers. And it, coming back to explainability, it used to be a synthesizer was a big wall of like wave transforms, and you would take the signal from the key, it would go into this one, and it's like, okay, now sawtooth, right? And then add some reverb and then loop it, right? And that was all totally explainable because you could trace every wire that goes through it now, right? The synth I play today, like, I know what the buttons do, and I know when I get out the sound I like, and I could analyze the waveforms if I had to, but that part of like plugging things in, you don't have to do that anymore. And you don't, as a musician, okay, there's some hardcore folks that still care, but as a musician, I don't care, right? Because I want the right tools to get to the sound that I'm looking for.
I think one of the things that's really interesting about those traditional kind of synth interfaces, right, is like, yes, or even maybe more modern if you look at like Ableton today, right? It's like, yes, you can make any transform you want to, but can you guess what it's going to sound like on the other end of that transform? Yeah, maybe if you're like really, really good and an audio engineer, right? But I feel like that's actually the much harder piece.